Very good evening, guys. Warm welcome to the best lectures of FMSM and Audit nationwide. Yes, guys, welcome to your own YouTube channel. We are at that stage right now where exams are just around the corner. Many students are saying, sir, preparations are good, but I am not that confident that I will get very good marks in this exam. Somewhere I know the subject, but that magical touch is missing. Something which will make sure that confidently I can crack the exam with flying colors. Yes, guys, that is why we are here. So basically, after interaction with lot of students, there are three kinds of problem. Number one, in audit we are talking, okay, for audit. Yeah, number one, many students are not able to understand subject. So when you don't understand all chapters, what happens is you cannot attempt case study based question. Case study based question you can only attempt when you understand the whole syllabus nicely. So that's the first problem. Second, many are saying, sir, I understand, but I have not done 2 chapters. Always remember, doing full syllabus is must. Why? Paper, whenever it comes, audit paper or any paper, they divide it into 3 parts. 30% easy, 40% medium, 30% hard. So usually the chapters which we don't do, chapter number 5, chapter number 9, from their easiest questions are asked. So when you don't do those chapters, you find those questions only visibly, directly. Oh, I have not done this, they've asked this. I have not done this, they've asked. So rest of the chapter or rest of the paper also goes bad. So that is why most important thing is don't skip a single chapter. This is the second problem. Third problem. Many are saying, sir, I am able to understand fully. I have done whole syllabus, but I am not able to learn the subject. Always remember, our exams are not understanding exams. You have to write also, right? If you don't write in exam, what's the use? So you should be able to learn also at least the keywords. So basically, if we are on the same page, if you understood, guys, there are 3 problems. Number 1, I am not able to understand. Number 2, I have not done all chapters. The chapters which I have done, very good. And third, I am not able to learn. Do not worry at all. We have got you covered, especially all the South students, North students, all the students. We are bringing to you the best batch, and this batch we are bringing for the first time. Okay. The Audit Booster Batch. Yes, you heard it right. Audit Booster Batch to boost your confidence super duper high. Yes, guys, this batch will ensure basically 3 things, okay? It's in only English. Yes, you heard it right, only English, because we have to write paper in English. And many South India students keep on telling, when is English batch coming? When is that batch coming? When is the final batch? So here we are, guys, we are launching Audit Booster course in only English, okay? So come here. Sir, what is this batch all about? Can you please explain? In 2 minutes, I will explain. It is a 10 days batch in 10 days, okay? Every day, give us 3 hours each. Every morning, give us 3 hours, and in 10 days, we'll give you supreme confidence in audit. Sir, where the batch is? Live at home, in the morning. You just have to get up from your screen, laptop, just watch us, give us 10 days, and we will give you Jabardast conceptual clarity, plus we will make sure we are able to learn in the class itself, which is our USP, okay? Sir, how many chapters we will cover? Each and every chapter we will cover, be rest assured. How we teach? Let me explain very briefly. Number 1, we will explain you the concept, of course, okay, and make sure that you are able to learn there and there itself. If any doubt, you can always ask. Usually doubts don't come. Continue. Sir, when is this batch starting? It's starting on 5th of August and it will end on 15th of August. Okay, 15th August is a special day for India, and it will be special day for you also, because all your queries of audit will be clear and you will be super confident in audit. Sir, what will be the timings? Every day morning 3 hours, okay, we will be there, and in 3 hours we'll make sure in 30 hours, 10 into 3, we are super confident about the subject. Sometimes what happens is you know the subject, but that magical touch is missing. Dosa is good, but the chutney is not good. Okay, so we are here to make the dosa, chutney, sambar, everything good. Okay, let's make the combo good. So whichever chapter, whichever question they ask, we are confident about it. Okay, our aim, our target is to get 60 plus, 70 plus with the help of this booster batch. Okay, how I will teach in booster batch? Very important thing. I will teach from our magic book. Many of you are asking what is magic book? Entire syllabus of 500 pages of ICI model. We have converted into 86 page. Okay, so this is a magic book. We will teach from this book itself. Sir, this book is enough. I want to do full syllabus only. Why this book? Looking at the time left, I think this is the only option. If you want to do regular course, fast track, available on website, most welcome, but cannot be completed. The time is less. So looking at the time, looking at the result, looking at the best possible solution. Okay, as per Charles Darwin, who will survive? Strongest or fittest? Who will survive? In exam, strongest will survive or fittest? Neither of the two. Those who change as per the environment. Okay, so that is why this batch is as per the changing environment. Time is less, so this is the only possible solution. Okay, we will cover from this. You will get hard copy of this book at your home. Many are saying, sir, I already have a hard copy. Then don't worry, we will not send you hard copy and will refund you the cost. Sir, how to buy this batch? Can you please guide us? You have to go to www.mrugeshmadlani.com. Okay, you know the website. This is it. As soon as you go, there will be audit booster course. Only English. Many people are asking, only English I can understand. Yes. Not student, I can understand. Whatever I am saying, are you able to understand? This English only I know. I don't know very much. I find it. Oh my God, baby. Yeah. Today we are going to Oxford. That I also don't know. Yeah. Okay, English movie. Normal English we will speak, which I am speaking right now. Okay. So the batch is usually 5,000, but it's 1,999. In case you have magic book, we'll refund that cost. Be rest assured. Okay. In this, what will come? In this live lecture will come for 10 days from 5th to 15th August. In this, what will come? In this backup will also come in case you are not able to watch the live lecture. Okay. In this, what will come? In this hard copy of books will also come. Let's make sure we target amazing results in September 25. So that is it, guys. Okay. Nothing more to say. Thank you. Join the batch and trust the quality. We will work very, very, very hard to ensure our result is fast, not your result. It is our result because I am a teacher. We want amazing, extravagant, mind-blowing results. Okay. Last time, thank you so much for listening. In case you have any query, okay, any doubt, any random query, please post in comment section. Our team or I will revert. Thank you so much. Take care.